Hey Treebuds, welcome back to our channel. I never introduced myself, and why the heck not? My name is Theresa. I am the owner of Makeup a Murder Cosmetics, and today we are going to do a rainbow inspired look inspired by Ellie __ makeup on Instagram. The eye shape is inspired by her. Oh my god, she's been blowing up. She's been doing so good, especially with these eye shapes, and I really want to do it. It's been inspiring the heck out of me. I got some new crown brushes in today. Perfect timing, right? The case is not by Crown, but look at all these crown brushes. We're gonna have some fun today. These are all clean brushes, which also, by the way, I picked up some Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner by Crown as well. I'm hoping and praying this is great. I'm hoping and praying. Actually, let's test it right now. Let's see if it works. I got this Mehhh Pro brush. They had these rainbow freaking colored ones on that. You know, I jumped on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm sure I could spray the brush directly, but I just kind of want to see what it does. You're gonna clean my brush. So mostly it's just water and alcohol and a little bit of fragrance. That's all it really is. Spray the brush. Did I spray you? Did I get it in your eyes? I'm so freaking sorry. All right, we gotta stop everything and go to the hospital now. Sophie got so scared. Let's test it out now. Let's see. Oh shit. I'm gonna stock up. All right, I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for so freaking long. I'm not even joking you. I'm not even joking you. So first of all, I want to clean off my eyeballs. I want to make sure everything's clean before, because I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting and creasing. So let me go do that. I'm going to do a rainbow version of this. So what I want to start off with is red, or the Poison Neons is this coral shade. I'm going to orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. I already freaking know. Package these all the freaking time. I'm gonna start off by using the Poison Pigments by Makeup a Murder. They come in these evidence boxes. You open it up and it says right on the packaging, do not open. And then it has last warning written right there. I'm getting a new set of nails tomorrow. I cannot wait. I don't know exactly what the theme is going to be, but you be back because it's gonna be awesome. Now what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of concealer. I want everything to be tacky. The best thing to use is just some standard concealer. I'm like almost out of this stuff and I really need to buy more. Every time I get Tarte Shape Tape, I use the entire bottle and then I think I'm gonna move on to another concealer, try a different brand. And I always end up back with the Tarte Shape Tape. So I did buy some Fenty. I'm probably gonna buy some more of the Tarte Shape Tape because I cannot stop using it. It is the best concealer. I'm gonna use Yay! I'm gonna use another flat. I am going to use a Makeup a Murder sponge right here and just blend it out. Why am I not zoomed in correctly? This. I got this. Oh yeah. Now what I need to do. I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna screw this up, so I hope and pray I don't. There's gonna be nothing in between right here in the center of my eyes. It's going to curve, as you could see the photo that I uploaded earlier. Curve it. I'm not gonna talk a billion times through this. I am just gonna do it. I have a teacher mindset. I just want to explain everything and I don't need to. I literally have to explain every step and I don't need to. Did I leave the straightener on? No, it's on. Yeah. I think because I don't comprehend things that fast, I assume other people don't either. So, you know. Yeah. Not everybody has issues like you do, okay? Not everybody. Not everybody. If you do not know how to store these correctly and open them, I do have a tutorial showing exactly how to do it with no mess. So go check that out. Before I start though, I want to put powder underneath my eyes. I don't want any fallout. I don't want anything to ruin my base. Here we go. For this entire process, what I'm gonna do is just tap on the pigments. Moving on to orange. I'm already loving this. Oh my god, I think it's gonna turn out so pretty. Ellie, you are a genius. This is so pretty. Okay, now. Green. We need green. I'm obsessed. I'm packing on more green over top. I'm using a very, very small eyeliner brush now. If you don't know, that's the sound every time Makeup a Murder has a sale. I forgot to shut off my phone. I'm thinking I want to put the pink right in the center, just to be a little different. I'm just using an eyeliner brush for this, and oh my gosh, when I cut this, it's gonna be so awesome. I'm just lightly brushing it into the red. This is a brilliant eye shape. I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. Check this out.